Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to deal with two-digit numbers 51 to 100. Children, already in the previous chapter we have learnt two-digit numbers from 10 to 50. We shall continue that. So, two-digit numbers have two places, ones and tens. You already know that. Now, the smallest two-digit number is 10. We already know. And coming to 50, 50 is 5 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place, and the spelling of 50 is FIFTY 50, and according to the digit in the ones place, you can write the number name, changing the number name 51 as 1 is in the ones place. 51 is 5 and 1 is read as 51. 5 in the tens, 1 in the ones place, 51. FIFTY 1. So, keeping 5 in the tens, you can keep on changing the digits from 1 to 9 in the ones place, and you can write the number names. Can you tell me the spelling of 59? FIFTY 50, NINE 9, 59. And after 59 comes 60, SIXTY 60, 6 in the tens, 0 in the ones place. And coming to 61, SIXTY 60, ONE 1, and 62, 6 in the tens, 2 in the ones. So SIXTY 60, TWO 2. You can keep on changing the number in the ones place, and 6 will be in the tens place. You can write the number names from 60 to 69. And after 69 comes 70. SEVEN 7, TY 70. And 71, 72, 73. 7 in the tens, 3 in the ones, 73. SEVEN TY 70, THREE 3. In this way, you can change the numbers from 1 to 9 in the ones place, keeping 7 in the tens place. You can learn the spellings from 70 to 79. Next comes 80. 8 in the tens, 0 in the ones, EIGHTY 80. And 81, 82, 83, 84 I have written on the board. 8 in the tens, 4 in the ones, 84. EIGHTY 80, FOUR 4, 84, and you can change the digit in the ones place from 1 to 9, keeping 8 in the tens place. You can learn the spellings from 80 to 89. And next comes 90. NINETY 90, 9 in the tens, 0 in the ones. And changing the digits in the ones place, keeping 9 in the tens, you can write the spellings from 91 to 99. I have written 99 here. NINETY 90, NINE 9, 99. Both 9 in the ones, 9 in the tens. And 99 is the greatest two-digit number. And next comes the three-digit number, that is 100, and it is written as 1 followed by 2 zeros. 100 is 100. Its spelling is HUNDRED 100. This is the smallest three-digit number, and this is the greatest two-digit number. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. It is smallest three-digit number. So now you should be able to write the spellings from, write the numbers from 1 to 100 and even their spellings. Karthik? Children, we shall represent the numbers on abacus. Representation of numbers on abacus. Abacus is a frame of beads on which two sticks will be there. On this beads will be inserted, and we shall count the number of beads in the ones and tens place. So here there are two sticks, and on this 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there, number 4, and count the number of beads in the second stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. First bead is 1's place, second bead represents 10's place. So 5 and 4, that is 54, and we shall write the spelling 54 like this. And in this picture, see, there are 2 sticks. On the first bead in the 1's place, count the number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 3. And in the second, in the 10's place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 63. 6 in the 10's and 3 in the 1's, and the number name is 63. We shall write it as 63, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, T-H-R-E-E, 3. And coming to the third one, count the number of sticks, beads on the 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the 10's place, 5 in the 1's place. So 85. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80, F-I-V-E, 5. And coming to the next one, count the number of beads on the 1's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the 1's. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the 10's. So the number is 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. S-E-V-E-N, 797. In this way, we can represent the numbers on abacus, and by counting the number of beads on the abacus, you can write the number and its number name. Now we shall write the numbers in given order. Write the numbers in order. See, the numbers are jumbled here. We shall write them in order. First comes 61, 62, 63, 64. See here, 92, 90, 93, 91. Write them in correct order. 90, 91, 92, 93. Now write the missing numbers. You already learned how to write numbers from 10 to 50. We are learning from 50 to 90 now. Write the missing numbers. There are two blanks before 52 and 53. 52 before 51, before 51, 50. So 50, 51, 52, 53. 54. After 53 comes 54. Next comes 55. 56, 57. Next comes 58. 59. Next comes, don't write like this 5 and 10, this is wrong. Next comes 60. After 59 comes 60 and then 61. Next comes this. Before 78 comes 77. 77, 78, 79. After 79 comes 80. Remember that whenever there is 9 in the ones place, the tens place digit changes and it is increased by 1. 7 becomes 8 and 0 in the ones. 80. Next comes 81, 82, 83. After 84, 85. In this way you can fill up the missing numbers. Yes, children, just write the numbers or number names for these numbers. 6 in the ones, 7 in the tens, 76, 70, 7 in the tens place, so 76, SEVENTY 70, SIX6, 5 in the tens, 5 in the ones, so 5 tens 50, 55. FIFTY 50, FIVE5, 92, 9 in the tens, 2 in the ones, NINE 9, TYT 90, TWO2 92. Now write the numbers for. Number name is given, you have to write the numbers. 64, 60, 6 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place, 6 tens, so 6 in the tens, 4 in the ones, 89, 80, 8 tens, 80, 8 in the tens, 9 in the ones, 70, 7 tens, 70, there is no digit in the ones place, so 70 you have to write. 96, 9 in the tens, 9 tens are 90, so 9 in the tens, 6 ones are 6, 6 in the tens, 96. So number name is given, you should be able to write the number. Now fill in the missing letters of number names. Children, it's very important to learn the number names, spellings of number names. 6, S-X, SIX, dash Y, TY, 60, EIGHT. In this way you have to fill the missing letters of number names. NINTY 90, sorry, NINETY 90, F dash dash E, F5E, E dash dash H dash Y, EIGHTY 80, SIX6, 86, S dash dash E, SEVENTY 70, TWO2 72. So you should be able to fill in the missing letters of number names. Karthik. Yes, write the number names for jumbled words. TEINYN. So 2 N's will be in 90 only. So NINE, please NINE 9 TY 95. 95 is the correct number name. SXTYI, X will be only in 6, so it is 62. SIXTY 60, TWO2, OWT, that is TWO 62. EVENS, 2 E's will be in only 7. So SEVEN 7, FOUR, that is 4, 74. EIGHETY, that is EIGHTY, that is 80. So you can just scramble the letters and write in a correct order to get the perfect number name. Now here some groups of grapes are given. You have to count the number of grapes and write the number name and number here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each bunch of grapes, in each bunch there are 10 grapes here. So in each bunch there are 10 grapes. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60. 6 bunches of each 10 are there, that is 60, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 60 plus 7 is 67 is the number, and number name is 60, SIXTY 60, SEVEN 7, 67. In this way 6 groups of 10 plus 7 more, that is 67. 6 10 60 plus 7, 67 is the number name. In this way, if groups of 10 are given, you can add them to the remaining single digit number and you can write a 2-digit number. Karthik? Yes, children, we shall learn how to write the expanded form of a 2-digit number. Here is a number 72. 2 is in the ones place and 7 is in the tens place. 2 is in ones place, we know that. And 7 tens. 7 is in the tens place, we shall write it as 7 tens and 2 ones. And 7 tens are 70 plus 2 ones are 2. 70 plus 2 is the expanded form of 72. Now write the expanded form of 86. 8 is in tens place, so 8 tens. 6 is in ones place, so 6 ones. 8 tens plus 6 ones. 80 plus 6. 8 tens are 80 plus 6 ones are 6. 80 plus 6 is the expanded form of 86. In the same way, here is the number 94. 9 is in the tens place, 4 is in the ones place. 9 tens plus 4 ones. 9 tens are 90 plus 4 ones are 4. 90 plus 4 is the expanded form of 94. Now, write the number formed with 5 tens and 3 ones. So, tens and ones are given with the numbers. You have to write the number. 5 tens is 50 plus 3 ones, 3. So, 5 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. 53 is the number formed with 5 tens and 3 ones. 6 tens and 8 ones. 6 tens are 60 plus 8 ones are 8. So 6 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. So 68 is the number formed with 6 tens and 8 ones. Children, many exercises are given here from page number 61 to 74. All these models are covered in these pages and exercises are given here. You can complete these exercises from this in the textbook. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.